Now let's make a quick review of the beaver problem. So suppose there are only two leaves at beaver headquarters. Each leaf only carries a maximum weight of 30 kilograms. These beavers need to get up there. The constraint is they only have limited time, and we need to fit as many of them as possible to take the leaf at once. The question is, can you write the possible compositions of beavers that can take the leaf? Now let's pause the video again and try to think about the solution for this problem. Okay, now using the greedy method, first we will think about, we will consider the smallest number first. So we put beaver A here in leaf 1, and it's 2 kilogram. 2 is still less than 30, so we can add beaver B. B is 3 kilogram. 3 kilogram is 2 plus 3 is 5, and 5 is still less than 30. Now let's add C. K plus C, this will result in 10, and it's still less than 30. Now let's move on to D. D is 8 kilogram. 18 is still less than 30. Now how about adding E? Beaver E is 9 kilogram. What do we have now? 10 plus 8 is 18, plus 9 is 26, right? And we cannot add F because if we add S, that will exceed 30. So this is for leaf 1, and then we consider leaf 2. Right, in leaf 2, we can try to add, how about adding F here, right? And this will result in 9. And how about now consider G? G is 12, right? 12 plus 9 is 21, and we cannot add H. Okay? Cannot add H because it will exceed 30. So how many beavers do we have in this? We're using this technique. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is one of the solution for this problem. Now, we have seen that using the greedy method, the solution is 7. But the question is it actually the best answer? Or can you think about a better solution for this? Now, a better solution might be for the first elevator, like lift 1. We can actually put beaver A, beaver B, beaver C, right? Beaver D, and then we can put beaver G, right? Because this result in 2 plus 3 in 5 plus 8 plus 12. This is 10, 18, and it is 30, and it's still um, in within this range, right? 30 is here, so we can choose this, or and then we can put in the second elevator, in the second leaf. Well, actually, we can choose beaver E and beaver F and beaver H, right? Because it's 9 plus 9 is 18 plus 12. And how many beavers do we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, 8 is more than 7. Well, this will be a better solution then, right? Again, what I want to show you is that greedy is fast, but it does not guarantee for the best solutions to obtain. Right, now let's move on to the MRT problem. So the problem in the MRT is like which route to take so that the MRT can arrive as quick as possible. Now consider this problem. So Zainab needs to go to work by using MRT, public transportation every day, which is currently operating in Jakarta. Since there is no direct route, Zainab has to move between several routes. Well, the following map shows the 6 routes, right? You can see there are 6 colors here. each indicate the route. Travel time between two stations is written as the number printed on the edge. Yeah, so this is the travel time. For instance, from H to S, it's 2. Zainab's house is marked with H, so it's here. Her workplace is marked with W, so it's here. And station for changing lanes are marked with S, so changing stations here. Yeah. If we assume that changing a line does not consume her time, what sequence of lines should Zainab take in order to get to work as quickly as possible? Right? Have a look at this problem and think about the solution. Okay, let's read carefully. So we can highlight several important points from that problem. So if we assume that changing a line does not consume her time, what sequence of lines should Zainab take in order to get to work as quickly as possible? So this is the problem statement. Note that house is denoted by H, workplace is denoted by W, stations is denoted by S. Changing line does not consume her time, and she needs to arrive as quickly as possible. Okay, now what's the solutions actually using the greedy method? Let's talk about this. Okay, using the greedy method, we start from here, right? Because this is Zainab's home. H, and then there's no other choice. We go to this one. So we go here, and then we choose 2. Now, there is an intersection here. Which one to choose? So suppose we choose, and there are 3 choice. Go here, 4. It takes 4. From here it takes 2, and then to get into this direction it takes 4. So using the greedy method, it will always choose the best solution at the current time. So using the greedy solution, it will move to this one, right? 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, because 2 is less than 4. Okay, now here, which one to choose? It takes less time than going to here, right? It's only 2 here, so it suppose then I'll choose this one, 2, right? And then suppose you choose 4, yeah, because other solution is here 4, 4, 4. So all are 4. So suppose she takes this way and she gets to work. So how long does it take to get there using this method? So 2 here plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4. So it takes 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12. 2 plus 2, 4, yeah, right? Yeah, 12. Can you think about better solution for this problem? Okay, now as a homework, go and visit this site, Hours of Code. This is a very good site. I'll show you just a second. All right, Hour of Code is like a web where you can try to code, right? You can learn to code, make a simple program, and there are several um, example of simple programs, and just have a look at this and see whether this can help you in programming. Thank you everyone. I hope this will be beneficial for you, and have a great day.